Hello everyone, this is Toys Unlocked and welcome to the first day of our LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar unboxing. I am so excited, so let's go ahead and get started. I always have such a hard time breaking into these tiny boxes, but I'll be very strong. And inside we find a tiny Harry Potter. Ah, he's so cute. Let's break him out of Azkaban. Here we have all the pieces. Let's look at his face. Oh, he's so cute. And on the back we have a face that's a little cranky, but that's okay. We'll make him happy to go to the Yule Ball today. Let's put on his hair. Mold looks just like his hair from Goblet of Fire, which is pretty interesting. We have a nice little slit for his scar. We'll put him in his dress robes. Oh, check out that tiny bow tie. Adorable. Fix his hair and give him some pants. Though I think in the book, dress robes were not pants, were they? There you go. He is ready to dance the night away. Oh, he's so precious. He needs a wand, of course, though, in case he encounters any trouble. So let's put this in. Oh, it's kind of tricky, so we're going to jump ahead like magic, and there you go. Much better. Is there a spell for that? Okay. It looks like we're going to be building a little table for him. He was never much of a carpenter, but we'll give him a golden candlestick holder. Very cute, very nice. And then we'll put the actual candlestick in there. And I'm going to try to put it in upside down. That's a fire hazard. Let's do it right side up. It fits right in, easy as pie. And then a little tiny flame. And just like that, Incendio, is it Incendio? Harry has created a candle. So now he can read by candlelight, and he needs something to read, of course. How about this amazing Yule Ball invitation? This is a printed piece. It's not a sticker, and it's incredibly detailed. I love it. So let's give Harry a chance to read this by candlelight. Oh, sorry, Harry. Ah, Bob's your uncle. Perfect. Now he can think about who he's going to invite to the Yule Ball. He can cast spells, whatever he likes. We'll pop them right there, and perfect. Look at all these extra pieces we have. We have some wands, and we have another flame. I wonder if the flame can... Oh, yep, look at that. Now Harry can carry a torch for Cho Chang, who he would like to ask to the ball. And look how cute this is, you guys. Oh, he looks fantastic. This was a wonderful first day. I'm so excited to keep unboxing tomorrow, December 2nd. We'll see what's lying in wait. Until then, have a great day.